E-commerce has changed the way we shop. From visiting bustling, crowded streets for the best deals, products are now a simple click away, even if you're at a remote location like Island. We are here in the city of Jorhat in Assam, really to understand how Amazon goes around delivering packages in what's considered the world's largest river island, Majuli. Majuli is an attractive ecotourism destination with an area of 650 square kilometers. For the roughly 2 lakh population on the island, the ferry is their only mode to the outside world. Delivering in Northeast India is a challenge for retailers with tough terrains and inaccessible areas. While most retailers rely on India Post for deliveries, Amazon has partnered with third-party vendors to set up service stations that are purely managed by local entrepreneurs. From one center in 2015, they have 20 in Northeast now.
यहाँ पर जैसे books, electronics items, home appliance, ये सब ज़्यादा लोग खरीदते हैं। 60 to 65% COD पार्सल्स रहते हैं, बाकी प्रीपेड रहते हैं। और COD में क्या होता है, आपका पार्ट पेमेंट का ऑप्शन है, तो हम जितने डिलीवरी एसोसिएट्स हैं, उनको हम कार्ड देके भेजते हैं।
With orders coming in from far-flung areas, delivery boys assigned to specific PIN codes get set to start a long day ahead. A ride on the ferry to reach Majuli is one of them. We are sailing right now on the Brahmaputra River, the mighty river that is really, and we are on our way to Majuli Island, which only has access through a ferry. So to really show you, this is the mighty Brahmaputra River that is, and the journey to the Majuli Island is about 45 minutes. It's 12 kilometers, and the only access that residents of the island have to Jorhat, the nearest city, is through this ferry. So you actually have delivery boys delivering products through the ferry. So they are carrying their shipment which will go out to residents of the Majuli Island. So things that they have bought are being delivered by this ferry.
Weekly 60 to 100 रहते हैं, पर में weekly 30 माजली है, और per day 30 to 35 packages.
For people in Majuli, e-commerce has opened up a world that never existed. Products on the island are usually priced higher since they are transported through the ferry. Plus, the closest city to the island, Jorhat, is a good 45 minutes ferry ride.
अभी 1.5 साल हो गया। घर के लिए जितना सामान जरूरी है ना, सारा कुछ ले लिया है। पहले हमारे कपड़े, लैपटॉप, मोबाइल, जितना जरूरी है सामान सब कुछ अमेज़न में मिलता है, सब कुछ लिया है। देखिए, जोहार जाने का थोड़ा सा सामान खरीदने के लिए 1 दिन चल जाता है और बहुत पार करने पड़ेगा, वो तो रास्ता तो खराब है। लेकिन अमेज़न में ऐसे होता है, घर पर बैठकर जो सामान जरूरी है सब कुछ मिलता है, वो बाजार जाने का क्या ज़रूरत है।
दाम बहुत कम है ऑनलाइन में। जो मैं LED टीवी किना था, जो जिसका दाम है लोकल मार्केट में उनका दाम था 18,000, बट ऑनलाइन में ये इसका दाम था only 12,000.
Retailers have time and again indicated that demand from smaller towns is increasing. With better internet connectivity, people are riding on the e-commerce wave, and retailers will do all they can to cater to the demand. Delivering through a ferry? Why not? Rahul Dayama for ET Now.